This is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to switch your Instagram public account to a private. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! On Instagram, you can switch your public account to private account very easily. When you create an Instagram account, it is public by default. So if you want to change into private, first of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on your profile. Tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings and privacy. You can scroll down. There's account privacy. Tap on that. Now you can see the toggle is non-active. You can activate the toggle over here. Tap on the toggle. You can read the this note. Only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can message, tag, or mention you, but you won't be able to tag people who don't follow you. Now you can tap on switch to private. Now your account is private account. Once your account is private, please be aware that you will see a follow request section on your notifications over here. So that is how to switch your Instagram public account to a private account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!